For over a century, Maybach has been the final word in automotive luxury. Not flashy, not loud, just absolute, uncompromising excellence. The 2027 Mercedes-Maybach S 580 is the most extensively updated Maybach in history. More power, more technology, more presence. And for the first time, the revolutionary MBUX operating system makes its way into a Maybach. This is not just a car. This is a statement, a sanctuary on wheels. And today, we are going to find out if it truly deserves its crown as the king of luxury sedans. The first thing you notice about the 2027 Maybach S 580 is the grille. It is now 20% larger. The Maybach name is subtly illuminated within it. The grille surround also lights up. This is not about shouting. It is about a quiet, undeniable presence. The new twin-star design headlamps feature rose gold accents. The Maybach emblem on the C-pillar is illuminated. Even the standing Mercedes-Benz star on the hood can be lit. At night, the Maybach name projects onto the ground from the side sills. Every detail has been designed to project authority without ostentation. The new 21-inch manufacturer-forged wheels feature a floating Mercedes-Benz star at the center. Mounted on a precision ball-bearing mechanism, the star remains upright at all times. It is a small detail. But it is exactly the kind of detail that sets Maybach apart. A new Night Series exterior package adds a darker, more progressive interpretation. Nautical blue metallic joins the color palette. The design philosophy here is quiet luxury. Every surface, every line, every chrome accent is purposeful. The Maybach S 580 does not scream for attention. It simply commands it. This is a sedan that projects confidence without arrogance. Open the door, and the Maybach S 580 transforms into something else entirely. The redesigned interior blends impeccable craftsmanship with the graceful modernity of the new MBUX superscreen. The dashboard is dominated by a 14.4-inch central display and a 12.3-inch passenger display, all beneath a seamless glass surface. The driver gets a 12.3-inch 3D instrument cluster. The dials glow in rose gold. A gold Maybach emblem sits between them. The interior is finished with materials like natural grain brown amber wood with herringbone pattern. Active ambient lighting with 199 LEDs and 64 colors, including Maybach exclusive rose gold, creates a calming atmosphere that adapts to your voice and driving situation. The rear seats are where the Maybach truly shines. The extended wheelbase provides incredible legroom. The optional executive rear seat package transforms the back into a first-class lounge. Heated, ventilated, and massaging seats. A refrigerated compartment keeps beverages chilled. Silver-plated Rob and Birking champagne flutes are available. Two 13.1-inch displays are mounted on the front seat headrests, each paired with a newly designed remote control. The available power comfort rear doors open and close softly at the touch of a button. This is not a car. This is a cocoon of calm. The level of craftsmanship is extraordinary. Every stitch, every surface, every control has been obsessively refined. Under the hood, the 2027 Maybach S 580 features a heavily re-engineered 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8. It now produces 530 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. The flat-plane crankshaft design is a significant upgrade. A mild hybrid system with an integrated starter generator provides a 23 horsepower boost. The result is effortless, linear power delivery. 0 to 60 miles per hour takes just 3.9 seconds. That is quicker than the V12-powered S680. The top speed is electronically limited to 155 miles per hour. The 9-speed automatic transmission is smooth and responsive. The engine is a masterpiece of engineering. It is smooth, quiet, and brutally powerful when needed. The new airmatic air suspension introduces predictive damping. Using car-to-X information, the system anticipates the road and adjusts the suspension in real time. The result is a ride that is effortlessly smooth. The Maybach Drive program prioritizes rear seat comfort over everything else. This is a car that wafts. It glides. It isolates you from the world outside. Whether you are driving or being driven, the experience is one of absolute serenity. For the first time, the Mercedes-Benz operating system is integrated into a Maybach. The fourth-generation MBUX infotainment features warm Maybach-specific graphics. The MBUX virtual assistant is a true conversational companion. It uses generative AI from partners like Microsoft and Google. It appears as a living avatar in an exclusive rose gold finish. The enhanced zero-layer displays relevant information and suggestions. Over-the-air updates keep the system current. The MBUX high-end rear seat entertainment includes two 13.1-inch displays. Each is paired with a newly designed remote control. Integrated cameras support video conferencing. The rear passengers have complete control over climate, entertainment, and comfort. Official US pricing has not been announced, but expect the Maybach S580 to start in the low $200,000 range. In the UK, the list price is around £189,905. In Europe, it starts at approximately €210,150. For the truly bespoke manufactured made-to-measure options, the price climbs significantly. This is not a car for everyone. It is a car for the 0.1%. The 2027 Mercedes-Maybach S580 is the most complete luxury sedan on the market. It is more powerful, more technologically advanced, and more refined than ever before. The exterior is commanding yet understated. The interior is a sanctuary of calm. The V8 delivers effortless performance. The MBUX technology is genuinely innovative. And the level of personalization is virtually limitless. It is the epitome of quiet luxury. Is it expensive? Absolutely. Is it worth it? For those who can afford it, there is nothing else quite like it. The Maybach S580 is not just a car. It is an experience, a statement, a masterpiece of automotive engineering. It embodies everything Mercedes-Maybach stands for: comfort, craftsmanship, and exclusivity. So, would you take the Maybach S580 over a Bentley Flying Spur or a Rolls-Royce Ghost? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I'll see you in the next one.